I've been exploring the Hopper travel booking app for a while now, and this video is my honest and unbiased review on the same. I'll cover all the main points, from key features to risks and considerations. So by the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of this mobile app. Hopper is a travel booking app that helps you find and book flights, hotels, holiday rentals, and rental cars in one place, with a strong focus on getting a good price and timing your purchase smartly. It is mainly designed for travelers who are flexible on dates or budget conscious, and who like the idea of using price predictions and alerts instead of constantly checking multiple sites themselves. The app is free to download and is widely used, with over 1 million ratings and a very high average score, which suggests it has a large, active user base and generally positive reception among travelers. At its core, Hopper lets you search for trips much like any other booking app, but then adds tools to help you decide when to buy. You can watch a specific route or hotel, and the app will notify you when prices are likely at their best, recommending whether you should book now or wait a bit longer. This is especially handy if you are planning a trip weeks or months in advance and do not want to manually monitor fares every day. For many users, this watch and alert system is one of the main reasons to install the app, since it takes some of the guesswork out of timing your purchase. However, it is not without flaws. One recurring theme in reviews is that some of the more advanced features, like the price freeze option and various add-ons at checkout, can be confusing or feel overwhelming. Users sometimes find it unclear how the freeze fee relates to the final booking price or whether certain options are truly necessary for their trip, especially when presented with many upsell choices during checkout. This can make the process feel less transparent for those who prefer a very straightforward search and pay flow. Overall, Hopper is a solid choice if you value an easy-to-use app that combines flight, hotel, rental home, and car bookings with tools to help you time your purchase and potentially save money. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.